Namaskaram, Abhivadam to all of you. Because of the poor connection of the Zoom, we are trying to do this YouTube or Google session. Thank you. You already know how to do the Antarsnana, so let us skip it. You already know how to do the Antarsnana, so let us skip it now. Then you know how to do the Antardarshanam or Antar Pradakshina. So let us also skip it. You also know how to do the Kamakshi sadhana, Meenakshi sadhana, Visalakshi sadhana, etc. There is no change in that. So let us skip that also now. Now we will be doing this Ganapati Bala Mantra sadhana, and there is slight change than before. So please understand this. In Puraka, we Mano chant, okay, Havom. Then in Kumbhaka, Aim Glam Sreem, Sreem Gam Aim in one stretch. Okay. Then Rechika, we say Swaha as you do in the Yajna, because this is kind of an Yajna. So Vyana is offered to the cosmos. Udana and Samana stay in us. Then Sunyaka, silence, resounds Prana and Apana. So the only change is right here, okay, slightly. And the change is instead of Harim, you say Swaha as if you are doing Yajna. That is all with this. So you do Ganapati, Annamaya Kosha, and then the other one is other koshas, okay? We do the Antar Abhisheka as the fifth one. Now, this one is slightly different probably than before. So I introduced the Bijashras, Lam, Vam, Ram, Yam, Ham, Klim, Reem, Sreem, Aim. So the mantra will be, see, Havom in Puraka, then in Kumbhaka you say Lam, okay, and then Rejga you say Harim, and then of course in Sunyaka it is simply silence, okay. You do that from bottom chakra, okay, Swadhisthana, Muladhara, all the way up, 9 chakras, okay, they are listed here, all right. And then in Antarabhisheka we are doing chakra filling, okay. So with Somam in the Puraka and Bija like Eem, Kreem, Hreem in Kumbhaka, and then Ramam, and then silence. So basically, Eem, okay, it goes like this: Somam, Eem, Ramam. Again, Somam, Eem, Ramam, Kreem, Somam, Kreem, Ramam. Okay. I'm in a hurry because of the time constraint we have. I will do a detailed one later on, then send it to you with all chakras. Then we have Purannava or Antar Purannava, Nitya Yavana Vijaya Dhyana, Dharana. So here, in Puraka, we say Somam, fills the top 4 chakras, and then Kumbhaka, Aim Klim Sau, Sau Klim Aim, fills the Visuddhi chakra right here, and then Rejika, Sravaya, Sravaya, Swaha, flows into the bottom, and then silence. So for any desire manifestation, we can do Kubera Mudra and state in Kubera Mudra, I am healed, etc. I got the job twice, and then Sravaya, Sravaya, Swaha. But this is also discussed in Abhigit Siddhi in a slightly different way. I'll do that also. Now we have come to the Seventh, this is Sanatana Dhyana. You can do it. Okay. And Chetana Nidra Samadhi. All right. So basically, you breathe in with somam as if the soma is entering from the back into your cerebellum. Okay. And then you there is Poraka, and then Kumbhaka is silence here. Okay, let me put it like this. Okay, and then in Rechika you say Ramam. It's very simple. Okay, then again silence. So this is the observation, and this ends the sadhana of 120 cycles. Okay, and this 120 cycle sadhana is called Mukti sadhana. Okay, so this is the first thing you do in the morning. What is new today is the five sadhanas, special sadhanas. So one is Jivan Mukti sadhana. This is same as doing the 120 cycles of Ashtanga sadhana that we just discussed. So just do it with slightly new mantras that I talked about. Okay, a few of them. So this takes about half an hour. So usually I do it at 6 to 6:30 in the morning, and you can do the same thing, or you can do at the corresponding time in US, whichever way it is. I better it's better the people you do it in the morning, okay, uh, and in your time zone, all the people will be doing at the same time, so you can coordinate that. And now, apart from that, you can do individual sadhana like Kamakshi sadhana also, Chakra sadhana in this. Okay, but uh, this is optional, and you can also do it at the same time. Okay, 6:30 to 7 or whatever it is. Now, next is Abhishek. Abhishek, this is most important. Jivan Mukti, you have done all the chakras, etc., all the koshas, chakras, all the nine or eight limbs, and then you do the Abhishta Siddhi, and this you do the Sankalpa in Telugu, that is, I want a job, or I want to do this, I want to do that, or I would like to this to happen, etc. So you can do it in your mother tongue very comfortably, and we do the Panchadasi mantra, yantra and tantra. Let us see. The mantra is Havom and Kumbhaka, Aim Klim Sau, Sau Klim Aim, Hreem Sreem Chamunde. Okay, that is Kumbhaka. Now, in Rejaka, you say Swaha. Okay, so Havom Aim Klim Sau, Sau Klim Aim, Hreem Sreem Chamunde. All right, and this Hrim Srim Chamunde can be different deities also, but let us do only Chamunde for the time being for Abhishta Siddhi. Okay, Swaha. So here we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Chamunde 11, 12, 13, 3 words, and then Swaha is 2 words. So this becomes a perfect Panchadasi mantra, okay, by count also. Now, in Sunyaka, you visualize, as Devi Das Garu said, okay, visualize yantra on the right and Mano chant numbers in English. So in Sunyaka, 816-357-492, as if you are writing, and then you do one more thing. You put in your own mind a small a paste of maida pindi, so maida flour, and mix it with some turmeric and put it here. This is all imagination, or you can do it in sankalpa. As I do the numbers, I this will happen, and then put it in a small round ball, okay, and then put it in Manasa Sarovara. So, okay, this all, since you are imagining, you can go anywhere you want to. So, therefore, you have offered this the fish in the Manasa Sarovara. Then the tantra is, as you are doing this, hold a turmeric stick, okay, in uh, in Kumbhaka Mudra. So you know Kumbhaka Mudra. So it is done like this. Okay, uh, like this. Okay, okay. It's not very clear. Okay, like this, as it is shown in the slides that you are supplied with, and uh, and do this sadhana for 42 days, 120 cycles a day, and at the end of the sadhana, you can take the turmeric stick and you know make it into powder and use it, or you can keep it in your pocket, or you can plant it also, whichever way you want. Be creative, use it somehow. So if your wish is fulfilled in 42 days, that is fine. You wait for a couple of a few days to happen. Suppose it is you think it is taking time, so do another 42 because you have nothing to lose here. You keep on doing some sadhana or other. Now, these two are done in the morning, Jivan Mukti and Avish Siddhi. So, if you Jivan Mukti can be done in 30 minutes, and if you add individual, it will be another 30 minutes, 1 hour. So, and this is half an hour. So, it could be 1 hour or 1.5 hour, whether it depending upon you do any uh, Kamakshi sadhana, etc. separately. Now, finally, let's go to the other one. Uh, in the night, I prefer it is done at 9 o'clock. Okay, Devata Darshanam. Many people ask me, how do I ask Anjaneya to appear or Kamakshi to appear, etc. And as Sri Devidas Garu told, uh, Bhairava is the god to initiate all the darshanas in one system. So let us follow that system because I have picked up the word Ramam from his teachings. The same way Bhairava. So in Poraka, you put again you are doing it at heart. Okay, you do the sadhana at heart. Okay, at heart. Okay. Now, you bring in a Puraka Havom as you did, Prana coming up and Apana coming down, and then Rechikam. And then in Sunyaka, again, you imagine this in a picture Jaya Jaya Kamakshi, Jaya Jaya Kamakshi, Darshanam Kuru Kuru. Okay. So, so if you want to have the darshan of Anjaneya, you say Jaya Jaya Anjaneya, Jaya Jaya Anjaneya, darshanam Kuru Kuru. This is what you do. Okay. So you draw them from the Sunyaka into your consciousness at heart. So this is again do it for 42 days or whatever you want to do in a number of days. Okay. Okay. Now Punarnavam. Now in this is Devata Darshanam. So then next is you want to get rejuvenated. So this rejuvenation sadhana is essentially bringing the uh, Rahu and Ketu together, and it is discussed already before. See, it is Somam and in Porakam, and in Kumbhaka you say Ain Clean Sauce or Klimaim. Okay, at Vishuddha Chakra here. Then, then afterwards in Rechika you say Sravaya, Sravaya, Swaha, and then silence. Okay, uh, 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 etc. It is explained very well there before already. Okay, now let's come to Vishwasanti. Vishwasanti is you lie down on your bed comfortably with the head up, and then so Chetana Nidra Samadhi, that is you breathe in with Swamam and breathe out with Ramam. And as you breathe in, when you say Swamam, the Swamam is coming into your cerebellum. And then with Ramam, it is filling your brain and the body, etc., distributing everywhere. So you do it, and then automatically you go to sleep. So this is a sadhana of really speaking at 1 hour and 1.5 hour, or 1.5 hour in the morning if you do Kamakshi sadhana, etc., separately. So this is really speaking. I prefer you do 1.5 hour in the morning, and 1 hour, 1.5 hour. So that constitute to 3 hours of sadhana, which is highly recommended. And you can afford it because you can do early in the morning, 6 to 7:30 or 5:30 to 7 o'clock, whatever, since you go to work, etc. So you manage it, the way you would like to. And then in the evening, 9 to 9:30, we do Devata Darshanam, and you do Punarnavam, okay, just before you go to sleep. And while you are lying down, so 1 to 4, you do sitting preferably, and fifth is sleeping and lying down. Okay, thank you. And let us do the Shanti Mantram here. Okay, Mantrahinam Kriyahinam भक्तिहीनं महेश्वरी यत्पूजितं मया देवी परिपूर्णं तदस्तु ते मङ्गलं महापुरुषाय मङ्गलं मङ्गलं महनीयगुणात्मने मङ्गलं मङ्गलं ललनारूपललितायै मङ्गलं सम्पूजकानां परिपालकानां यतीन्द्रियाणां च तपोधनानां देशस्य राष्ट्रस्य मतस्य राज्ञां करोतु शान्तिं भगवान् अनन्तः ओम शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Thank you very much, and I'll send you other tapes later on. And uh, thank you. Namaste.